Just wanted to say hey this morning. It's another beautiful day. It's sunny today. And yeah, so things are kind of progressing here. My sister's visiting for a couple days, so it's not quite progressing maybe as it normally would. In the meantime, still doing a little work in the house. And oh, one thing I was going to say that I'm thankful for today is my children. So they just are a huge blessing, and they are big helpers, even though they're kind of little. And so anyway, let me know what you guys are thankful for today. All right, quick update as to what we've been working on in here. Is still floor joists, kind of filling in there. So I ended up getting this whole end bay cut off, and then I filled it in under there with some 2x and lots of PL glue and nailed it really good with ring shank nails. So what I did is I ended up furring it out so that I could get this ledge here for my sheeting, my new floor, subfloor, to sit on. So that should be nice and solid. And then this one here, that was the one where this is a low corner, so my new stuff, sister on the side there, is a lot higher. So it's about a 7/8 inch in this corner. So we just got this all cut out as well, and this one switched over. So everything is getting pretty good shape here for subfloor. So the only thing we have left really in here is if we want to tear the toilet and the tub out, which we're going to get to that point really fast here. Then when we do that, we can also get rid of the water heater over here, which will be great for getting the rest of that dirt dug out. And we can be well on our way in here. Soon we're going to be ready to tear the roof off and get the wall straightened out up top there and get some new trusses on this place. But it's going to be some more demo, of course, before that. But yeah, so pretty much all the floor joists. I still got one to cut right here with the fine tool. Get that down. Otherwise, coming right along here. Hey, Weston's my big helper today. He's helping me with a lot of stuff out here. What are you thankful for today, buddy?
Helping you work on the house.
Really? That's awesome. You're such a big helper. Show me some muscles. Oh, man, look at those muscles. All right, guys. Well, you have a good night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm excited. My sister was here celebrating tonight, so didn't get a whole lot done this afternoon, but we had fun hanging out. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.